Some memories live in the smallest things. The crackle of a banana leaf on a hot stone, the smell of jaggery melting into coconut, and that quiet joy of finding an Ottada waiting. Warm, sweet, made with love. Not just a snack, it's a tender piece of childhood wrapped in a leaf. This Vishu, bring home that gentle sweetness again. Start by boiling water with a pinch of salt. Mix it with rice flour to form a soft, smooth dough. In another bowl, combine jaggery powder, grated coconut, cardamom and a touch of salt. The sweet filling is what makes Ottada special. Cut banana leaves and lightly grease them with ghee. Spread the dough thin using wet fingers. Place the jaggery filling on one side and fold the leaf gently. Heat a flat stone griddle, grease it with ghee and place the leaf parcels. Cook covered on low heat and then flip to cook both sides evenly. The banana leaf crisps up. The jaggery melts into the coconut, a warm, golden bite filled with flavor and memories. Serve hot. Sweeten this Vishu with homemade Ottada.